Sibingelele. Ngicabanga ukuthi this is the last video engiyenzayo ethinta indaba ye-Chiefs, ne? Agcina nce besidlala sihleka senza konke. Ngizontshela istory ukuthi kwenzakaleni. I won't reveal a lot of information, yabo, but ngizama unibeka esithombeni. Chiefs yakashembe yacela isibusiso. We all know uShembe ukuthi umsebenzi yakhe. Futhi abantu abaningi bayakholelwa kuyena. Okay, it's fine. So when they came to me, I think mhlambe bebefuna ukubalansisa ukuthi lento yenzeke ngempela, and don't blame Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi mhlambe ihambe inyanga. Mina oqala ngisiyona inyanga yakhe, ngihlezi ngisho lokho. Uyangicela futhi lento siningibiza ngenyanga. Inyanga niyazazi, seniyibonile inyanga zenu zenze imikhuba eziyenzayo la. Uyabo? So I think they came to me because they wanted ukuthi balance, yabo. As I was saying, Chiefs ne blame because at least when mhlawumbe basenza amanzi, the most of my team they use umuthi, yabo. Kanti uma kuthiwa kuyo camp babuze nabadlali uma kuthiwa camp kusuke kwenziwane campini, yabo. Then mhlawumbe ke guys enzona sinda khona. So i-Chiefs it is ungachoose mina, because uma nizobuka most of imidlalo so khona le ndoda lena esuke lapha ya emfishanyana nje, yabo, bathi umshumelo kaShembe angimazi ke mina, yabo. I think uyena ke othunywe inkosi yakhona kaShembe ukuthi esize Chiefs, yabo. So angikwazi ke mina ukuyisiza because they chose him over me, yabo. So mina into engisho ukuthi I'm just saying mina ngazi ngenza umsebenzi wami, because into futhi engicike kakhulu ukuthi the plan nje was sitting ngibuka yonke le plan eyayenzeka lapha. It was the plan eyishiwo yimina ukuthi kumele kwenziwe kanjani ngasiphi isikhathi akwenziwe ini, yabo, abaye kuphi bazokhipha. I can even ngizwe ama VN, but it's pointless. I think abantu kumele understand la it's you as fans ukuthi you guys are fighting for a club, but there is a family behind the club, and mina ngikwazi ukuhamba ngokwathamela abanye bafana, angikwazi ukwenza lokho. I know ukuthi ngithatha kancane, yabo, but angikwazi ukwenza lokho. So all I'm saying is I cannot assist the Kaizer Chiefs because already there's someone there who's assisting the Kaizer Chiefs, and ngifuna ukugcizelela lokho because angiyibambile izinto ze-Chiefs mina. Yebo ngikho right emoyeni, but angiyibambile izinto ze-Chiefs. Kunendoda la engibona ivideo yayo futhi ngiyihlelile nje kuyona, yabo. Indoda nje impela nje esiquqa nje ilana ku-80 kg uyayibona. Iyathanda ufake iketango lapha elingathi igolide bese ifaka inakuzana iwash elikhulu lapha elingathi loPopeye lo Ben 10, yabo. Ingithukile leyo nsizwa ke mina, yathi mina ngithakathi Chiefs, yabo. Iwumxhosa lokho wedelela, yabo, and umuntu ungambuki ngamehlo bese umkala nje, yabo. But ke mina ngimblockile on Facebook because angizwani nento nje vele neyikhuluma phakathi. As I've said, this is the last video engiyenza. Angisafuni ukukhuluma ngalento le, yabo. And none guys, please stop with happening this izinto ze-Chiefs or kanjani. It's not me, yabo. Mina nje ukuthi angikho right. Uma ngekho right angikho right, yabo. But mina there was never a time where ngizothi mhlawumbe ngithi mhlawumbe ngiyophahla ngiphahlele i-Chiefs or kanjani. If I decide to do that, it's going to be worse. At least manje nisa-draw, but them betraying me, it showed me ukuthi shoot there are a lot of people aba-betrayayo, yabo. And inyembezi ngihlezi ngisho ziyafana uNkulunkulu, yabo. So I think you guys are just focusing umuntu wrong. Maybe you need to talk to your management ukuthi if you as Kaizer Chief management you decide ukuthi you want these guys to assist you, then phela yenzani sure ukuthi niyabenza ubulungiswa, yabo, because you can't choose a certain people because uthi banamandla and think ukuthi mhlawumbe you are protected. Ngisho ungalanda uJesu manje ukuthi akakusiza, but uma ukuthi kunabantu obabetrayayo uJesu ayikho into angisiza ngayo, uyabo. Ngiyazi abanye bathi hayi i-Chiefs iyathakatha. I-Chiefs at least inkosi yami uShembe uyisebenzisela amanzi, at least iyabiza abantu abasebenzisa amanzi ama-teameni abakwenza ukuwesa. This is the last video guys, angisafuna ukukhuluma ngale nto lena because ngiyangithuka mina ke inhlamba nginankinga nazo, yabo, ngiyahlekela nje. But nje ngengikwazi ukuyisiza i-management knew very well ukuthi babenzani, yabo. And the funny part is we never sat down and talk about imali mina nabo, because I was like, let me show these people ukuthi ngabanikeza ini, yabo. And I was like, I told them ukuthi, you guys, you just coming to me sexually only 2 weeks, what do you expect from me? But okay, asesibona singenza njani. And I said to myself, I want to give them a cup, yabo. Then maybe we can sit down, maybe we can draft a contract. I take it to my lawyers, yabo. Then mhlambe sebe ne-contract maybe mhlambe eka 3 seasons, yabo. Then we see ukuthi ngibanikeza. Asikakhulu njalo ngemali lapho. Mina that's how I work, unfortunately, yabo. So I think again babhayiza lapha. Ngithola mhlambe ngizofuna amamiliyoni. Ingakho namanje ngoba lokhu nithi angisende i-account yami, I won't give you my account number. And futhi ngisho kuthiwa mhlambe ngiyabona mhlambe seniyitholile mhlambe niyithole khona ngiyabona ngene imali, so istopha leyo mali leyo. Angifuni imali yeni mina, ngifuna imali ye-Chiefs. I-Chiefs ngiyayithanda mina kusuka enhlizweni yami. I wanted to work with them, yabo, but they chose to work with someone else. So nina ngokomthetho nina kumele benithi wendoda efishane esebenza ne-Chiefs, siza phela i-Chiefs iwine phela, angithi umuntu lapho, yabo. Because mina I don't think ukuthi I'm willing to go there. Mina ngithanda i-environment eclean, enabantu abaneqiniso, inhliziyo ezimhlophe. Ngiyayithanda into epure, yabo. So namhlanje ngcinile and ngizwe ngikhuluma nge-Chiefs, yes. And uma isidlalile yaluza ningalokhu niza kumina ngithi ngiyanitshela, angifuni phela ukuthi lokhu ngimntoda, ngiyanitshela nje akusimi umuntu ovale i-Chiefs. Baningi abantu, kuyacaca ukuthi baningi abantu who are betrayed by i-Kaizer Chiefs, yabo. And I think mhlambe ibona mina mhlambe kwami kuseza, mhlambe kuseza, because mina isazi nje mhlambe ukuthi hayi ngithi engixhaphazela i-Chiefs, yabo. Then mhlawumbe one day uzofika ke mina abantu ke ngihamba nabo ke bethi ayi Lord, siyabona i-Chiefs is not willing to settle down and talk, and we decide to take these decisions, and you cannot do anything about that, yabo. Just mhlawumbe mina was caught up kule situation, and guys mhlawumbe nisadraw mhlawumbe just 4 games, yabo. Mhlawumbe nisazowina angazi, kodwa nje angisafuna ukukhuluma ngale nto le, yabo, because lomfana I think ungicikile ngempela lo umthukayo, and uzwa ukuthi mina naye sizohlangana. Mina ngisho singahlangana nje ngeke ngenze lutho, yabo. Asazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani, kodwa nje ngeke ngenze lutho nje, yabo. Mina akekho umuntu engimsaba, mina ngisho walanda ba umbeke la, angisabi umuntu uthi unemali noma ungakanani. Hayi mina bafana ngeke, hey shuthani ngazi kahle, yabo. Basi ngakho ngihlezi ngiyihlekela because angithandi udlame. Asibambe la lento le, angisafuna ukuphinde ngikhuluma ngale nto.